Welcome back to the channel. Starting off with some stainless, I presume, and a tool of some sort. No, back of the truck. License plate. Some aluminum too to go along with it. Clean. Something bright and colored, and I think it's metal related. Oh, it is. It's a seesaw. But that was fun. Oh, it's busted. I was thinking about, keeping it, but the seats are busted. Dolly in the way. Is this metal? Sure is. Okay. Oh, those wire H stake things that we found in the last video, sold them $20 a box locally. I'll take that. We had 7 boxes, by the way, for what it's worth. Well, is there anything in it? Nah, there's nothing in that. It does not open. Yep, no, that's heavy. Sometimes they have a number, and you can ask them to send you a replacement key. I don't know. We'll see. Piece by piece. Here's a picture too. Oh, that came out. Put it back there where it's safe. Just jamming, cruising, finding stuff. Top of a 55-gallon drum. Dog. Oh, I didn't explain the things. Last video, I found the box of those H things. Turned around, called some sign places. They said, oh yeah, we'll take that, and then in the store. Check the last video if you want to know what I'm talking about. Somebody took the rest of the fan, I guess. I mean, I'll take the other half. The heavier part. Ooh, it's a dual blade. Fancy dancy. Add a little cordage to the back. Keep it going. Good old soccer nets. Sometimes the pins working these, and you can get them to bend over. Sometimes they don't want to come out. Need some persuasion, but sorry. Fits right there just fine. Yeah, they're metal. That's aluminum. Kind of doing the smalls right now, but clean the curb. Less things in a landfill. Along with us. I'm in kind of a bad spot, but we're gonna snatch it and go. We're not gonna have any pleasantries about cutting cords in this spot, but we'll get it done. Maybe in a cul-de-sac or somewhere, I like cul-de-sacs, that is. Just some little nuggets, nothing super special. Ooh, pretty. I guess we got a basketball thingamajig here. I don't know it's all connected to what though. Okay. We're good. That's not attached to nothing really. Let's make it nice and neat. Let's get our metals. Do that. Sure. I'm gonna take these cords off and then continue with the route. I'm gonna get my snips. Just to show you, have people say I don't actually do it, so definitely not picky. Super light. Starting to get a little dark. Not quite the foldable chairs that we like to see, but these are just as compact and heavier too. Not saying we're getting somewhere, but we're getting somewhere. I've already talked to the owners of said bikes, and the Roadmasters are coming with us. They're flat tires, so I guess it makes sense. But I did ask first. Brakes are disconnected. Yeez. I've seen 3 scrappers tonight now. So how many more is out here? Pit stop. I'm not going that way. I'm going that way. The opposite way. Pit stop. Yeah, I'm going that way. I cannot write this stuff. I really can't. Okay, it rolls decent. I gotta make room on the trailer for it, but I'm gonna go do a door knock first, make sure that this is good for scrap. I can't get to it up under there. Let's go do a door knock. Be right back. I'm gonna try to shoot it right there. I took off most of the stuff. They said it doesn't roll great. We'll see how we do with it. Rolls fine. Now we just got to get it on there. Sorry about that. I need you to go that way. Still need you to go that way. My head strap's not doing me justice. I need you to come this way. All right, now turn. Oh, the tires are flat. Turn. All right, we ready? All right, GoPro, you stay. Not ready. All right, don't fight me too much. I go that way a little bit. 2, 3. Failed. Come on now. Shoot the gap again. Whew. I got a mess to clean up. Whew. Another one. Something tells me this is from it. No, it's not wet still. And I was out this way, so. Whew. That'll give you a workout. Shoes loaded. Check the boxes. This might build a computer. Actually, this I want to keep, and this I want to keep. All right, let's get out of here. Water time. All right, well, that's actually the route. Like, I went down a few more roads, didn't see anything. Like I said, there are 3 other scatter wrappers in the area currently. So I got one more little cul-de-sac that we'll run over here to kind of finish off the night as far as what we're doing, and so on and so forth. So we went from a okay night, you know. I thought I was having a blast, to be honest, and then of course they're running fiber lines through here, so all this is getting work. Maybe not through here yet, but they're running fiber for a while, some kind of company. But at any rate, that really did fill up the load. It's heavier than the Cub Cadet we found for sure. It's Cub Cadet, yeah, it kind of gave us a little bit of deal, but you know, the people that I talked to said that it had a problem rolling. I think the tires are just low down or whatever, and it really didn't give us too much of a hassle. Yeah, it's heavy. Yeah, I mean, what do we got? What do we got? What do we got? And nothing. Box. But we got it on here. Fit really good too. It has a 52-inch deck. Don't even remember looking at the brand. Don't know what's wrong with it. They really didn't go into detail on what's wrong with it. And yeah, my lawnmower / appliance guy will like it. He's going to pick up the other zero turn that runs. Actually, I don't even know if I'm gonna sell it just yet. I know that sounds kind of, I told him about it, and I told him that he's more than welcome to purchase it, but I've been kind of playing around with it in the yard. It's a fun little toy without the deck. I'm gonna be fair. It's definitely, I definitely can see a use for it, if that makes sense. But I'm on the fence. My wife wants it gone. I want to keep it. He's gonna get the Cub Cadet that we picked up for $100, and I don't know how much he would pay for this one. I don't even know how much. I don't find zero turns that much. Like I've found maybe in my entire career of scrapping like 3 total like Moran lawnmowers. That's it, and 2 of them came from the other day. The other one was like a Troy built, and I was not even doing YouTube at the time. It was just, yeah, I mean, the Kubota that we found too, I guess I can give an update on that. It's actually sitting at a Diesel Tech's place. He's working on it, and it's becoming a money sink. I do have someone that's interested in buying it, actually, for a really pretty penny, and we haven't even got it run yet. So, and that's been, God, I don't know. But that was given to us. Really, the zero turn was given to us. So I guess if you want to be technical, the Troy built was given to us as well. If you want to be technical, I guess I found 2 total lawnmowers. And what I mean by the zero turn was given to us was I was driving and I got waved down. They knew me in the area, so on and so forth, and yeah. But that is actually the route tonight. So yeah, I guess if you have any knowledge about what these kind of machines go for, I mean, I'm pretty sure really the most expensive part of them are the motors, and if the motor's gone, are they really worth much? I'm pretty sure there's parts off of them that people can use. But I'm in a new territory with this kind of reselling thing. I'm not gonna lie, if you go back to some of the first videos, I didn't really care 100% about the resale atmosphere / lifestyle, but ever since scrap went to 6 cents a pound, it does make more sense to try to get a little bit more out of what you find. But I digress about nonsense stuff and me rambling on about nonsense stuff. But we're heading to the house. We won't go to the scrap yard with this load because it's really not a load, it's a 0-turn lawnmower. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, you know, like, share, and subscribe if you have not, and I will get back at it. Maybe we can beat the scrappers out. I am trying a little bit different times. We got dark a lot later this time. I came out a little earlier and there were still scrappers out here. A guy that commented some time ago said that YouTube's a double-edged sword. It's fun to do and it's nice to kind of, you know, put your life out there on the old interwebs or whatever, but it, you know, in your area, people see it and then they think they can also do it, and they can. Let's be honest, I'm nothing too special to you or to the next person. Care about the grace of God, and you know, thankful for whatever we get, and we don't pitch a fit. Yeah, I had to. My mom always told me that. Be thankful for what you get and don't pitch a fit. But all in all, yeah, I will see you on the next one. I got to get this unloaded and get ready to go again. Found a little bit of stainless. Not much for the back of the truck. Got a little cleaning up to do on the vacuum cleaner and one of the fans. I'm just going through what I got to do. I'm sorry. Thank you. Goodbye.